shouldn't know. I got secrets.
Good morning, Stephanie Kammerman, the Stock Whisperer, here with today's Daily Dark Pool Whisper for February 11th, 2020. Let's get going with the SPY. Yeah, the SPY, by the way, is above the latest dark pool level, 333.99. That's going to be a key level to watch. We are going to be bullish today if we can break above this 36. We just came up and tested it, and you can see volume came in, so definitely a seller was loaded there. If they bring it up again and we can break above, yep, that will be bullish. Or we could have a retracement. Bearish below 334.50. First trade is a retracement to the dark pool. Yeah, that 333.99, really 334. And then if we do go below that, then there's another level, person's pivot, 333.54. Let's go to the E-minis. I know Powell's talking, so we could get a little volatility happening right now. Bullish above 33.64. We came right up to it like a brick wall. And bearish below 33.55. The Russell really doesn't have too much volume early on up. It looks like it kicked in. So bullish above 167. Couldn't quite get there. Last eighth is the most expensive eighth in the entire world, according to Jesse Livermore in 1923. It still is. Look at that. We came up to the last eighth pretty much and pulled back. Bearish below 165.80 for IWM. The QQQs. We got a new level on that, 229.13. Not a big one, but still another dark pool level. We're above it. Bullish above 233.25 and bearish below 231.80 for a retracement trade. The NASDAQ futures, bullish above 95.70 and bearish below 95.49. Let's go to the Dow futures. Bullish above 29.350. Bearish below 29.275. Let's go to those oil futures. Yeah, it's been big. Let's see what those guys are doing. All right, we're still below this trend line from the weekly chart. I'll just bring it to your attention once again. Yep, this one right here. Yeah, that's going to be pretty key to watch. Let's go back to a 5-minute. Okay, we're going to be bullish above 50.60 and we're going to be bearish below 50.19. So here's our bear trade back down to the person's pivot and our bull trade. But we'll have some, if we do go up, we'll have some resistance here. 50.72 area. That's that trend line. Here's that second trend line up here in the bigger picture. Let's go to the gold futures next. We're going to be bullish above, here we go, 15.77. Whatever he's saying is lifting the gold market. 50. Bearish below 15.69 for gold. Now let's go to the individual stocks. Okay. Let's start with AMD. This was our biggest winner yesterday. Hope you guys got this one. This was amazing. Room to go. Today, bullish above 52.75. We've already gone up and hit one target. Watch the 53 level. Yeah, next test the 53. We hit it once, right? Pulled back. Just 53.07 is a Camarilla resistance. So let's just see. Is there anybody loaded? Well, there is a seller at 53.05. Not big. Really a bigger seller at 53.50. All right, for AMD. Microsoft. This was a huge winner for my daily Dark Pool Insights swings. Hope you guys got this one. It's still going, but today, bullish above 191.50. Bearish below 190. That's for a retracement trade, though. It's a big level. We came down and tested it earlier at 655. Bounced. So if we do break below that, there could be a little retracement trade. Let's go to UAA. Under Armour. Yeah, it does not like its earnings. There could be a retracement trade to the upside if we break above 1825. So I would watch that level till we hit the retracement to the 4. Bearish though, below 1750. We already just went below that. And yeah, that's not going to be pretty. Yeah, if we stay below there. AT&T. Yep, had a little excitement with that Sprint TMUS news. But as you can see, it's like, wait a second. That's not us. Reality check came in and pulled back. I'm going to be bullish above 39.25. That's when it was up here. Let me just look at it again. Give me one moment to just check it out. Because we pulled back. Yeah, so when we were up here, all right, I was bullish above 39.25. I spotted a seller there. But now that we've moved all the way back down, let me just see if that would get in. I would get in above 39, and this would be my first trade, knowing there's resistance, if that happens, okay? So sometimes we get a little price change. So I'll put a new trade in. Bullish above 39, and then target would be like 39. It's a day trade. 20 to be on the safe side at this point. Okay, let's go to Tesla. Yeah, Tesla's been a winner every day. Yesterday we hit targets on the bull side and the bear side. Today we'll be bullish above 790. There was a seller that Stephanie B found at 805. That was awesome stuff. Let's see. Up, we can't see him right now, but we know he'll be there if they move it. Because when they move the price down, we don't see that far ahead, but that we know he was there. So bearish below 762. Yeah, we're right in that area right now. Let's just see one thing here. Yeah, so watch this 4 EMA. That's really key. It's gonna move. Let me just remove that. Yeah, it's gonna bounce. There's gonna be buyers always when we come down to it. So if we do go below it, that's when we'll get a retracement down to the 8 EMA for Tesla. That would be the next one. Okay, trade. And then really we're gonna bounce. If we couldn't hold the 8, that's when things would get ugly. But right now there's support in this area. But we are in a Tesla wedgie. See that? Okay. Let's go to the next one. The VIX just moved down a little bit. Work. Yeah, it's a great lesson in boot camp on we don't ever want to go long when there's a big wick at the top of a candle. That's selling. This is Japanese candles 101. Yep, whenever we have a big wick at the top, we don't want to go long, and it most likely will retrace back down to the 4 EMA, which it did. So I do love the trade setup right now on this, because it's either going to like push on up or it's going to move down. Bullish above 2620 though. I did see some resistance in there. And bearish below 2437 if it moves below the 4 on work. Uber. Uber, we're going to be bullish above 40.55. This has been a great swing trade in the dark pool insights as well. Bearish below 40 for Uber for a little retracement trade. Let's go to Apple. Apple. Yep. Apple, you know, also in a wedge. Yeah, if you kind of draw these trend lines like this. Yep, we're at the top of it. Are we going to break above that, or are we going to come back down to the bottom? So bullish above 323.20. We had a dark pool level recently at 322.88. So watch that. We're right in that vicinity. Bearish below 321.50. And our last one is Facebook. Facebook, we're going to be bullish above 212.50 and bearish below 210.50. But I also want you to watch the banks. I'm not in the whisper, but we had a lot of late dark pool prints from market on close across the entire sector. See? BAC 34.69. These are market on close. They're taking the volume from yesterday and they're tossing it into today's candle. Show you JP Morgan's. Let's see if I can find it here. There it is. 137 dark pool. We have, I think, Wells Fargo. Yep. This is so, it's awful. They shouldn't be allowed to do that. See how the volume is high today? It's not today's volume, but something is happening. So definitely watch them. Oops, I didn't mean to do that. Yeah, definitely watch them. I'm watching Bank of America. That's in my daily, in my dark pool insights. Bullish above 35. Yeah, if we can close above that, I'm definitely gonna be bullish on BAC. There you have it. Those are my whispers of the day for February 11th. Until next time, happy trading, everybody.